Hey everybody, I almost didn't make an English video today because I feel like shit today. There's a lot of emotions running high, and I feel obligated as a representative of listener to show you that side too. In our app, it's going to be anonymous, of course. In our app, you will be um, there's a listener who's going to listen to you and stimulate you and ask the right questions for you in order to express yourself authentically as possible. But our mission statement says that we are creating a movement where emotional expression and active listening is a new status quo. So that means I feel obligated to show this side of me too, of course. I saw a great quote today, and the quote was, "You can't heal what you don't let yourself feel." Uh, Today I have a day where I need to feel all frustration, anger, and sadness is coming up, and I think it's because of the circumstances, of course, but it's never about the circumstances. It's what's been triggered inside you, and the circumstances trigger an emotion inside yourself that's already there. And I promised myself to be the best version of myself as I can be. So in order to that, you need to transform every day. In order to transform, you need to heal stuff. And so that's why I choose to feel. A few weeks ago, I stopped drinking alcohol because with this crisis, I drank a lot of alcohol every day, a lot of it, because it's a normal thing to do, right? But it suppresses all those freaking emotions all the time. And if you suppress something, of course, in the long run, the thing that comes out is going to be bigger, right? So that happened to me as well. I really got depressed again. Yeah, those feelings came up again. So that's why I thought, shit, I have to cut this shit out. For my whole life, I've been using a lot of drugs, alcohol, and everything where you can be addicted to. I was actually. But this time, the last thing, alcohol, I need to get that out of my system too. It's been like 2 weeks now. And this is a day where shit comes up again. And normally I would grab the bottle of wine, but now I'm letting it stand over there. I'm not touching it at all. So I'm gonna keep this video short and hope you feel inspired to do the same so you can transform as well. And this shit is part of life as well. And as long as you suppress this shit, you can't be the best version of yourself. And after dark days, there's always sunlight, right? So let this one pass by, feel, cry, maybe scream a little bit, and then, yeah, next day, a better day. Thanks for watching.